Hello students. The next important short answer question of chapter 5 laws of motion is why shock absorbers are used in motor vehicles. So why shock absorbers are used? To know this, before let us define what is impulse. Impulse means force into time duration, that is F into delta t. Impulse is defined as the product of force and the change in time or time duration. Now, from this equation, so we are understanding from this equation of impulse is equal to F delta t, we can write F is proportional to, okay, F is proportional to 1 by delta t. So 1 by delta t means what? The impulsive force is inversely proportional to the time of impact. I can say the impulsive force is inversely proportional. Inversely proportional means what? If time of impact increases, impulsive force decreases. If time of impact decreases, impulsive force increases. Now let us take uneven roads. You will see, no, these tar roads especially uneven, how it will be there. Now a car or a scooter, okay, it is moving on this uneven road. Now when such uneven road is there, this have to move in such a way, okay, the vehicle. So what happens? Now when the vehicle moves in such uneven roads, a force of impact is created between the road and the tires. So as the driver or persons are sitting on the seat, through these tires, that force of impact will be applied on the person. So now when a driver drives the vehicle, due to this force of impact, accidents falling down like this may happen. Now if we can reduce this force of impact on the vehicle, thereby on the person driving the vehicle, we will use shock absorbers. Then what is the function of shock absorbers? These shock absorbers will increase the time of impact. Okay, when time of impact is increased, then automatically the force of impact decreases. Okay, when from this formula what we said, the force of impact is inversely proportional to time of impact, no? When time of impact increases, automatically the force of impact on the person or person driving the vehicle on uneven roads decreases. Okay, so due to that, the person can safely drive the vehicle on uneven roads. So when scooter or car moves on a rough road, it receives an impulse due to jerky motion. On uneven roads, you will experience the jerky motion, no? Compared to the smooth roads, the vehicle will go without any jerky motion. But on uneven roads, you will find the jerky motion, and that jerky motion creates the impulse. For example, if shock absorbers are not there, this jerky motion creates more force of impact on the tires of that vehicle, and here the passengers are sitting in the vehicle will experience that particular force of impact. Okay, now in order to reduce that only, we have to increase the time of impact, because from the formula force of impact is inversely proportional to time of impact. So shock absorbers increases the time of impact, thereby force of impact decreases, and the increased value of time of impact reduces force of impact, it saves the vehicle and its occupants from experiencing the reverse jerks.